Hello, you guys. It is time for Stash Smash Saturday. This is going up a little later than Rebecca's, I believe. I believe she actually got this one done before me. We've both been struggling lately with that. But today is also day 3 of Scraptember, and the prompt for today is layering. So I'm excited to do tons of layering with tons of fun pattern papers. I have to pick out a photo yet. I've got some good photos from my vacation that I could document. I've got photos from all sorts. So I just need to find a photo, but we're still playing with this, is it Simple Stories? Summer Lovin'. Yes, by Simple Stories. That is what I played with last week, so that is what I get to continue playing with this week, but it is a new month, so I have a new set of items I need to use for Stash Smash Saturday. This time, Rebecca, or Becky, wants me to have mixed alphas, and so if you don't know the rules, we give each other, so we are trying to use up collections that are almost gone. My idea of a collection still around is much different than Rebecca's, but we are both trying to do our best to just use up some stuff that we have that are almost gone, and so that's the goal, and you have to use it till it is gone. This is not an older one, I literally just got this, but I wanted to play with it, and it worked out. And then we also, just to use up some stash items, give each other a list of 7 things, and we have to use at least 5. So my 7 things for this month, and those go by month, are mixed alphas, so using mixed alphas like as a title or something, shimmer spray, which is good, I have lots of shimmer spray, thread and twine, chipboard, pocket cards, circles, she had circles, she's got circles on the brain, and yellow. Well, lucky for me, there is yellow everywhere in this collection, like everywhere you turn there's yellow, so I got yellow. Technically these are pocket cards, but the point is to use pocket cards that that you have in your stash. And I was using these rub-ons because she had me doing rub-ons last month, and these are from the 49th Market Sherbet collection, and I really like the way they go with this collection, so I kept them with it. So I think we might try to use some more of those today. The prompt is layering, like I had said, and I've got some foam thicker things in here. I've got some, there's my avocado. I have pictures. I know what I want to document. Do that. So let me go grab those photos. I'm going to get them trimmed down, layering like I said, and let's get started. All right, I found the photos of my son having avocado for the first time. And I literally put them in like sequential order of like giving him his first bite. He's hungry, makes a face, goes back for more, makes another face, goes back for more, and then is horrified. I love it. Okay, so I ended up needing to do a 2-page spread. So I went and grabbed from my P13 Maxi Creative Wood Grain pad. I love that pad. If I can remember exactly a link where I got it, I will link it down below. It's probably on a cherry on top. So I started trimming some of my papers. I don't have a bunch that are like thick enough to actually do layers, so we're gonna like mimic layers. But we're gonna layer. So I'm going to do this diagonal stripe across the bottom here, this floral, and then I think I'm going to tuck that up. I guess layers also can be this way. It doesn't have to be on top. So then we have that. And then I want to kind of tuck like a chunk of this like there and a chunk of it down here to mimic stuff, or maybe even, oh, but I love but maybe even this to bring in some white. But this is pretty good too. There's just so many good papers. I haven't even touched this one. And then I have this one too. So I've got to, and then I want to add some of these rub-ons in there, layer that up, and then what else do I need to grab? Oh yeah, mixed alphas, some shimmer spray, pocket cards. I've got yellow. I don't have circles. But I gotta look through my pocket cards and see what I got. Figured I would do 2-page spread. There's some pocket cards. And spread it out. These photos just make me laugh. So far that's what I'm doing. I think I'll look through. Ooh, this orange matches perfect. I might fussy cut that out and then maybe tuck that, the top of that up there. And I could do that down there as well. So there's some pocket cards. Maybe layer up a take note down here or something. That would actually work well. I'll do 2 of those. Yeah, I just need to find some alphas then. Ooh, that's cute. I'm gonna add that to the collection because I'm gonna grab some circle labels. I just need to find, I have some circle labels and some that are yellow, pocket card circles, thread twine, shimmers, we'll mix alphas, and then I just need some chipboard or thread and twine. Some spray there, some spray here or something. And we'll go from there. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, sorry. I started just going and it was good. So I got all the little food icons on. I was going to try to put my title up there, but then I realized I put this little cluster there and it would interrupt it, so I like it better way down here better. These are some Bella Boulevard Aria. I love this font. I need to get more of these, but I need to use up a lot of my alphas. So I'm glad she's having me do mixed alphas. I'm guessing this is what she means, and not the sheets that are already mixed, but I think those would count too, because they're technically mixed alphas. So I titled it, But You Went Back for More? Because he went back twice, but it's because he was a hungry boy. He ate so well, and so, yeah. I spritzed in here and here with some Rockefeller Blues. I might do some splatters now as well. Grabbed some Ellie Studio yellow circle labels, and I kind of tucked those a few places. I put one behind here. You can barely see it, but it just gives a little bit of yellow halo around it. And on those Aria Puffy Alphas from Bella Boulevard, they had some little hearts. I used up all of them. So I used that, and then this is Simple Stories color vibe. What color is this? Robin's Egg, which pulls out the blue, and this is a Simple Stories line, so it pulls out that blue perfectly because all their stuff goes. I layered what was left over after I fussy cut that out and cut that off underneath this and tucked that in perfect place for doing my journaling. I did add a little yellow rub on there and there. Yeah, so I just didn't do chipboard or twine, which is fine. I used quite a bit of things, and I still have a lot of this kit left. So, but I really like the way this turned out. It's not crazy or anything, but I love it. It looks good. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of splatter with the shimmer sprays as well, just to give those spots a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Rebecca's channel for her Stash Smash Saturday, and then check out the playlist for Scraptember. And this was day 3, layers. So I have layers stacked. That's what my layers are. Okay, see you guys next time.